What I love about the two of you is how you are together. You know, I know that what appeared to be seamless was really the effort of two people who truly loved one another and who truly were determined to make their relationship work. You know, your love makes me smile, and your friendship brings me so much comfort. And I love you so much, and I'm so happy for you and this beautiful chapter in your life.
Stop, you guys.
You can't cry here.
And then how loud it is.
Oh my God.
Jordan, from the moment I met you, I knew that we had an undeniable spark and attraction. I didn't know that I could feel the way that I do about anybody until I met you. Every morning and every night, when I look at you, I think to myself, what would I do without this man? You are my best friend, my other half, my soulmate. I cannot wait to start this new chapter in our lives together, and I'm so excited to be your wife. Until the end of time.
From the first day I met you, I don't think it was any secret that I'd instantly fallen in love with you. It was at that moment my life changed forever, and I knew I had met the woman that I would marry. Darling, today is the most monumental day of my life. You're my greatest joy in life. You're my favorite book. You're my favorite song. You're my favorite time of day. You're my favorite everything. From this day forward, I promise to be your partner in all things. And I vow to never let go of your hand as we walk together forever toward our desired goals and dreams. Because you're not just someone that I can live with, you're the one person I cannot live without.